Hey, Teddy K here for the Best Buy blog, and in this video, I get hands-on with the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, Samsung's newest and thinnest smartphone to date, also designed as a premium alternative that's coming to Best Buy. Weighing in at 163 grams and measuring just 5.8 millimeters thin, the Galaxy S25 Edge looks and feels different because of it. Feathery weight is one thing, but the thinner body gives the phone a much slimmer profile compared to the other Galaxy S25 series of devices. It uses the same titanium edges as the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the same 6.78-inch AMOLED screen as the S25 Plus, and Gorilla Glass protection on both sides. About the same depth as three Toonies put together, the camera bump on the back certainly adds a little extra on top of that, but as it stands, there's no other phone in North America matching how slim this thing is. Samsung will make it available in both titanium jet black and titanium silver in either 256 gigs or 512 gig variants. The rest of the specs are the same, down to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and 12 gigs of RAM. Keeping those things familiar appears to be by design because the S25 Edge will basically run the same Galaxy AI features already available in the rest of the S25 series. You can see from the list here that all the key ones are in there, which is to be expected given the internal components were essentially cannibalized from the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra to begin with. Plus, running on Android 15 and Samsung's One UI 7 means performance should be similar too. And based on some of the generative AI demos I saw, it looks like you can expect this phone to essentially do the same job in the same amount of time, including turning portraits into sketches, paintings, or comics, for example. Now, to get this thin, Samsung had to make cuts, namely leaving out a telephoto lens on the camera and shaving down the battery. You get the same 200 megapixel image sensor from the S25 Ultra along with the same 12 megapixel ultra wide from the S25 Plus. Samsung figures that shooting at 200 megapixels and cropping in after might be good enough to make up for the lack of optical zoom, but that's not especially likely in most cases. You can also take photos at 50 or 12 megapixels to give you the same variety that the Ultra provides. As for the battery, 3900 milliamps is not a lot for a phone this size, so it remains to be seen how well it holds up on any given day, especially since the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra are both considerably bigger in that respect. Samsung says optimizations will help stretch the battery out, but we'll have to see about that. You can pre-order the phone at Best Buy now and get your hands on it starting May 30th.